seen loads of fireworks this morning.
I want to take a picture of it.
They aren't firing it yet. Anyway, hi, and today this is just a quick little firework video.
Whoa! I'm putting it on you.
Throw off the window.
There are even Reese's age people there.
Okay, no, it's fine.
Well, they're setting it off. Get ready. And explode!
Get up there, do what you got to do.
Whoa!
Get up there and do what you got to do and don't fall off. So I'm just saying, let's get up there and do it. Yeah, they are. She's up there, what more does she need to do? Yeah, that's fine, they can watch them.
Man's going mental, he doesn't know.
It's the engine, it does maybe.
I don't know if it's done yet. Oh, they're setting off one more. I can just about see it on the camera.
Stay up there so you don't see it.
Whoa!
Yeah?
Picture!
I just about got the camera up there. I'm facing it off. I want to know if it is up there. I think they're leaving. Or they might be going out to get some more.
No, they're not. They're leaving now. They're not doing it anymore.
They're not. Not leaving yet, will they?
Yeah, they are leaving.
They're not. I think they're trying. They're having a little quick break.
No, they're not. They're going. They have the cigarette and then they're going. Yes, they are. They're just having a cigarette and then they're going to go home. They're not doing any more. That's enough now.
I think it looks like they are.
No, they're not. They're just having a cigarette.
You really need to wash your hands too. This is great. Yeah, so the first thing you do when you're done is wash your hands.
They're going home.
Right?
Huh?
They're not doing
I'll
anymore.
get some more in the distance.
No, one, don't do a video of it because they're not doing anymore.
It's hard because of the way the window.
They're not doing
And the
anymore.
way the camera's changed. There's been an update on this. There's been an update on this to change the cameras a bit. Can I get over here a bit?
There's nothing going up, is it? Once you see them putting more on the ground, there's no point.
Or over there.
That's it, it's done. It's finished. Everyone's having a chat, it's done. Let's put your stuff away now. So we're doing this video and the car's going up and down the road. It's done that in the road. Let's go.
See you later. Bye!